Hi guys, I've got a package opening. This is a really late package opening. I bought these to go on a trip, which never happened. So I didn't even open the bag because I didn't want it to get dirty. And I was sick of using sheets to cover all the seats in my car. So let's see what these guys look like. Oh, by the way, they were $14 Canadian. The inner bag is wrapped in plastic. It came with tracking as well. Okay, this is the back side of them. It's a thin nylon. No dog hairs, please. And this is the other side. They're pretty nice. I mean, it looks better than sheets on your car, and for $14 for two, I think that's a pretty good deal. Let's see, I think this is the top. Because this looks like the seat part. I thought there was supposed to be a part that went over the top of your of the headrest, but maybe this just fits. I'm going to look again, and then once I clean the car, I'll put them in, and then you can see what they look like. But there's a sale going on right now at AliExpress, so I thought I'll show you guys these. They come in a variety of colors, and if someone is interested, you might want to catch them while they're having a sale. So this is the back, and there is a built-in pocket. So if you wanted to store some stuff behind your seat, you can, which is nice. There is like a foam kind of material, which you can see. So it's not just a thin nylon. It is also somewhat padded as well. But on the back, it's not padded, just on the front, which is fine, because that's where I need it anyways. And it, oh no, yeah. Okay, so it comes with these doohickeys, which I'm guessing are for you to secure them down. They're like little hooks. And they do have a separate thing for the headrest. I was like, oh no, I didn't open the package, and now it's way too late for me to do anything about it. So it comes with two of those. And it is slightly padded on the front. As you can see, the back is a thin nylon, but the front is padded. So I'll put some pictures and a link to the seller. It came tracked, and I don't remember how long it took to get here, but I do like the colors. I like the design. So thanks so much for watching. Hope this helps someone out there, and have a great night.